In this tutorial, I will show you free transform tool in Adobe Illustrator. So let's dive into this. To access free transform tool, you can click the shape. I have already drawn a shape here. You can click the shape and then you can hold on E from the keyboard. I am holding down E, pressing down E, and you can see this is free transform tool. If when accessing free transform tool, here is few sub menus also appeared. So first of all, I would like to show you what is free transform tool. Free transform tool rotate, scale, shear and distort objects. So as I said, here is two also sub menu appeared here. One is perspective distort and one is free distort. Two distort sub menu. So first of all, I would like to show you free transform. Using free transform tool, you can see here is a special cursor has been appeared here. When you move the cursor to the anchor point, then the cursor appeared and free transform tool will now begin to work. So I am clicking here. You can see I can manage to transform in any side of the shape. That means I can easily transform the shape with freely using this tool. Now I am clicking perspective distort tool. So what is perspective distort? When you can see and perspective distort icon has been appeared, so I am clicking here and moving the cursor to the right side. You can see opposite side same measurement distortion happens simultaneously. If I move this with the left side, it is also increased same distortment in the right side. So I am fixed it with the original shape. You can access this perspective distort from the keyboard. Using keyboard, I am showing here. So I am going back to free transform tool, and when I am clicking here, I am holding down from the keyboard Ctrl, Alt and Shift together, all the modifier keys together, and then I am moving. You can see it is work like as the distort tool, perspective distort tool. Okay, so this is perspective distort and also free distort. You can see free distort tool, you can distort any side, any part of the shape. You can also use the same effect using keyboard. So I am going back to free transform tool and clicking here, and from keyboard I am holding down Ctrl. So I am holding down Ctrl and see I am as same. This is free distort the shape. So that was for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.